Hello everyone, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on quick guide. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to buy PEPE on your Trust Wallet account. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to buy PEPE on your Trust Wallet account, first of all go ahead and tap on Trust Wallet application. Now enter passcode in order to open your Trust Wallet account, and then you will be available with the home screen of your Trust Wallet account. So you can see several options as send, receive, buy, earn. So since we are going to buy PEPE, go ahead and click on the third option that says buy. Now go ahead and search for PEPE in the search box. Type on PEPE. As you can see, it's available, so go ahead and tap on PEPE option. Now you can select your rate here. Always remember, you can select rate from third party provider because it provides the best rate. So go ahead and tap on third party provider. Since this option is only available in the third party provider, so you cannot choose from this, all you can do is tap on next. Now you will be appeared with this screen on your mobile phone. Now you can enter your credentials such as card number, name on card, first name, last name, and then after you fill all of these credentials, you can check in the box of safeguard and I have read and agreed to the terms and policies. After you check on all the boxes and then provide them with all of your credentials, you can tap on next, and then you're all set to buy PEPE on your Trust Wallet account. So this is how you can easily buy PEPE on your Trust Wallet account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.